Oh, sock.
Easy sock. Oh no, sock.
Look. Four, five, seven. Sock.
Yes, it is.
A sock.
It is a sock. Isabel's sock. Isabel's sock. Yeah, Isabel's sock. You need to put it on Isabel. Good girl, Hannah. You're helping out, aren't you? Yeah. Is it Hannah's sock or Isabel's? Isabel's sock.
Hannah.
No, Isabel. Yeah. A, B, C? A, B, C, D. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir. A, B, C, D. M, A. Black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. Hannah, can you say daddy?
Mommy.
Dada?
Daddy.
Yeah. Mummy?
Daddy.
Mummy? Yeah. Can you say Nick?
Nick.
Can you say Nick? Nick. Good girl, Hannah.
Nick.
Yes. Can you say Julie? Good girl. Julie. Can you say Nick? Julie. Nick? Oh, tired. Okay, time for 90s? Time for 9 Okay, good night. Isabel's sock. Okay. I think it's time for bed, hey? Yes. Okay. Can you say bye-bye, Nick? Good girls. Bye-bye, Julie? Good girl.